Hello, good morning, children. Today, 22nd July, Wednesday, parallel lines. Worksheet second, question number second. All sections 8th A, B, C, D. Read your question number second. In the quadrilateral A, B, C, D shown in the figure, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 90. Is AD parallel to BC? Justify your answers. This is your figure, quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 90. So this is your questions. What is given? In quadrilateral ABCD, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 90. It is given. Now we can find the sum of these two angles. These pair is known as the interior angles on the same side of transversals. If these two lines and AD and BC are two lines and AB is your transversals, AD will be parallel to BC if the sum of these interior angles will be equal to 180. Now angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 plus 90, 180. If the sum of interior angles on the same side of transversals are supplementary, then lines will be parallel. Therefore AD parallel to BC. Okay. Now question number third. Draw a line segment AB is equal to 6 cm. Mark 2 points P and Q on it. Draw lines perpendicular to AB through P and Q, PR and QS. What can you say about PR and QS? Are these lines parallel? Justify your answers. Here, first step is draw a line segment AB is equal to 6 cm and take 2 points P and Q on it. After that, with the help of scale, draw PR and QS perpendicular to AB. With the help of scale, now use scale and draw perpendiculars. Perpendicular means here angle 1 is also equal to 90 and angle 2 is also equal to 90. These are interior angles. If the sum of these two interior angles is equal to 180, then lines PR and QS will be parallel. So now draw PR perpendicular to AB and QS perpendicular to AB. Thus angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 90. Angle 1. These angle 1 and angle 2 form a pair of interior angle, alternate interior angles. If the sum of the not alternate interior angles, if the sum of the interior angles is equal to 180, then lines will be parallel. Now angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 plus 90, 180. If the sum of the interior angles on the same side of transversals are supplementary, then lines will be parallel. Therefore PR parallel to QS, which we have to prove it in this question number third. Now next, again similar of question number second. This worksheet first is that yes, pairs of corresponding angles are equal. Pairs of alternate interior angles, pairs of alternate exterior angles, all will be equal if the lines will be parallel. Use the same property of parallel lines in all sums. Now next, question number 4. In the figure, L parallel to M, M parallel to N, find angle X and angle Y. Sorry. Here three lines are given. L parallel to M, M parallel to N, and ABC transversal if L parallel to M and BCZ transversal if M parallel to N. Angle 50 is given. Find angle X and Y, and angle 30 is also given. Now look here, L parallel to M and M parallel to N. Okay. Now take first two lines. If L parallel to M and ABZ transversal, then angle X is equal to 180 minus 50. These are interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. The sum of these two angles is equal to 180. If one angle is given, then other angle will be subtract the given angle from 180. L parallel to M and ABZ transversal, then angle X is equal to 180 minus 50 because interior angles on the same side of transversals are supplementary. are supplementary. Next, so angle X is equal to 130. Now for angle Y, again M parallel to N and BC is a transversal. Therefore, angle Y is equal to 30. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. M parallel to N and BC transversal. Therefore, Y is equal to angle 30. Alternate interior angles. Now next, fifth. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which all the four angles are equal, so that AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Only here statement is given ABCD is a quadrilateral in which all the four angles are equal. But this time we don't know what will be the measure of each angle of a quadrilateral. We know that in a quadrilateral, here draw a figures ABCD. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to angle 3 is equal to angle 4. In a quadrilateral ABCD, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C, and angle C is equal to angle D. All angles are equal. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360. The sum of the measure of four angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360. Now angle A is equal to angle A, and 4 angle A is equal to 360. Or angle A is equal to 360 upon 4 is equal to 90. If all angles are equal, so each angles of this quadrilateral is equal to 90. Angle 1 is also equal to 90, angle 2 is also equal to 90, angle 3 is also equal to 90, and angle 4 is also equal to 90. Now prove that AB parallel to CD or AD parallel to BC. Same as similar of previous questions, that AB will be parallel to CD if the sum of angle 1 and 2 and angle 3 and 4 they are equal to 180. Yes, each angle is equal to 90. Now angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. Similarly, angle 3 plus angle 4 also equal to 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. If these are interior angles on the same side of transversals, therefore lines AB will be parallel to lines CD. So angles on the same side of transversals are supplementary. Similarly, go for second case, angle 1 plus angle 4. Again, each angle is equal to 90. Angle 1 plus angle 4, 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. Angle 2 plus angle 3, 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. Now, if AB in second case, their sum is equal to, in first case AD will be AD parallel to BC, or second case AB parallel to CD. Angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 90 plus 90, 180. Angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. Similarly, angle 2 plus angle 3, therefore AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to. So in this way you can do other parts also. So today I go for question second, third, fourth, fifth, and tomorrow I go for 7th, 8th, and 9th to complete this worksheet 1. So revise question number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of worksheet 1. So tomorrow I will myself solve other parts of this worksheet 1, 7, 8, and 9. So thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.